this. I told you bricks. Don't you remember? You see this clay soil resembles the bricks that are up there. Eh? Have you remembered?
Yes.
Now, are you taking a video?
Yes.
Now face this way. Show me your clay, all of you up like this. What's that you having? Clay what? All of you?
Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Yes, and we are going to make clay materials. We are going to make clay what? Materials. Now, the first one is what? Speak louder.
Pot.
All of you?
Pot.
Say it again.
Pot.
Another one. Yes.
Cup.
Cup. Good. Yes. Charcoal stove. Very good. Yes. That's good. Yes. Bricks. Very good. Yes. Jug. Very good. Yes. In clay soil. Jesus. Yes. Cup. Okay. Bricks. Very good. Now for now we are going to make. Have we all done like this?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Now bring one finger like this. And you put a hole, go inside. Rim, do what we are doing. We want to make a beautiful pot. A beautiful what?
Pot.
Everyone, you have to make a beautiful pot. Are you seeing what I'm doing? I'm making mine big like this. Look here. Are you seeing mine?
Yes.
Everyone has to do like mine. Like mine. Don't put on your uniform, please. Don't put on your uniform. Have you seen mine? Have you seen mine?
Yes.
Now we are going to put on the bottom thing, okay? The bottom and the top part. Let me see everyone is. Do like this. I want to see. First that way in the camera. You want to see? Thank you. Take a photo now.